Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Itong pechay na ito at boksoy yung iba ay iha-harvest ko na lahat sa araw na ito para makapagtanim uli ng panibago. Kasi kung hahayaan natin yan na hindi maigulay, ay mamumulaklak lahat. Ay isang puno lang ang kukuha ko ng binhi. Katulad dito, may bulaklak. Diyan na kukuha ng binhi. Pechay po yan. Yung boksoy naubos ko na yata kasi pinagsama-sama. So yan, marami po rin ito. Bunutin po na para pamigay na lang sa nangangailangan. Mag-iiwan lang ako ng ilang puno. Ito ang iiwanan ko dahil malalayong agwat nila. Yan, dyan na lang ako kukuha ng dahon pagkakailangan. Ayan po. So tayo po ay mag-uumpisa na. Samahan nyo po ako na mag-harvest ng pechay. As I said, ang buksoy naubos na yata. So let's start now mga kapatid. Ito po ang ganda. No? Fresh na fresh, green na green. So ipamimigay ko po lahat yan. Ilalagay ko na lang sa bag para ready na. So ayan na po sila, ka-line up. Aalisan ko ng mga old na yung mga adult na leaves kasi medyo matigas-tigas na yan. Yan, pagkatapos kong iayos ito, magpupunla ako ng panibago. At ito nga pala, yung katulad sinabi ko, iyan ang iiwan ko, mga ilang puno lang. Kasi bawasan ko lang ng dahon kung kailangang maggulay. Ayan po. So ilalagay ko na lang po sa ano yan, sa supot. Ganito lang po yan. Tatanggalan po natin yung puno niya, yung roots niya, ganun lang po. Ganito lang po. Pwede rin gumamit ng gunting. Ayan. ito ang pagkakaiba. Ito yung bok choy. Yung may guhit-guhit yung ano niya, yung palapa. Ito naman pechay, maputi ang kulay niya ng palapa. Ito yung bok choy, ang ano siya, parang parang yellow green something. So yan po ang pagkakaiba. Okay, para alam nyo. Ayan po. So iyan na po yung unang naputol. Siguro 4 na supot or 5 bag ito. Kasi meron pa eh. So ayan, samahan nyo po ako mga kapatid kung para matapos ko ito. Hello?
Hello. Is this vegetable?
Yes.
What is it?
It's I'm taking a video on harvesting, and I'm doing a vlog, YouTube. I post in YouTube.
Okay.
You want some?
What is it? Is it?
This bok choy.
Sure.
You want some?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
okay, hold on.
I love bok choy.
Do you live here?
Next door.
The next door.
2 block.
Oh,
no.
okay, okay.
On
Where are you from?
20. I'm from Tanzania.
Guinea?
To Africa.
Oh yeah, Guinea, Africa. Okay.
Yeah.
Because this one already order, I will give it to them.
Okay.
Because I have to plant another one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because this is only like a 30 to 40 days. It's
Yeah.
ready to harvest from direct
And what
seedlings.
is this plant?
That is
Cassava?
this one. This is cucumber.
Oh, so big.
Yeah. So can I take a video on you for just a couple minutes? Okay. So this is for you, mom. I will give you more.
All
Just
right.
hold it. So just say hi to everyone.
Hi, look at the bok
Yeah,
choy.
yeah. You are now. I'm gonna post this. The whole world gonna see you. Yes,
not.
yes, yes. What is your name?
Banu.
Bunny.
Yeah.
All right. So hold on. I'm gonna give you more.
Thank you.
This is.
This is more than enough for me. I'm only one person.
Sorry.
I said this is more than enough.
More than enough.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because my mom.
Oh, okay. What you gonna cook with
stir-
that? What is your recipe for that?
Only stir fry with garlic and soya sauce.
Oh, garlic and soya sauce.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So, what can you say about the bok choy?
The bok choy are really.
Yeah, pechay in Filipino.
They are really tasty.
Okay, so you really like it.
Yeah. I
Okay.
like it and I make stir fry.
So,
all the time.
next time, because I have to transplant a new one,
Yeah.
maybe in 35 to 40 days from now, come back,
Okay.
I'll give you.
I walk every day.
Oh, really? Oh, okay, okay. So, good luck and God bless you.
So bless you too. I
All
have
right.
lots
So,
of-
are you sure that is enough?
more than enough.
All
I have
right,
lots
okay,
of
okay.
Filipino friends.
All right.
Yeah, from all
So,
from Mindanao.
see you next time.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye. Take care, huh? My neighbor, I just met her. She lived like 10 minutes, like a 10 to 12 house away from here. All right. So, ayun. I'm really happy to share if anyone who like this. This is the fruit of the hard work. Even my neighbor, I asked them, like this neighbor, they said they don't eat pitsay or bok choy. So whoever like it on my neighbor, it's free. All right, thank you so much. I'm gonna repack now this giveaway. Yeah. So I have to wash it first before put in the plastic bag. Need to wash before going to the bag. So kung kayo lang ang neighbor ko, matitikman nyo lahat itong mga panganan ko rito. Sana mga kapatid, huwag kayong magsawa sa mga ipinopost ko about organic assorted vegetables at the backyard. Yan po, huhugasan ko lang ng maigi bago ko ilagay sa bag. Ito, mga ano yan, lettuce yan. Araw-araw na lang na tayo nagsasalad. Ito, ang daming kasunod. Itong talong, ang laki oh. Oh my goodness. Nakita nyo na po yan. Ayan, puno na para lang maalis yung earth, yung dating kumapit na mga topsoil. Bahala na silang maghugas uli ang pagbibigyan nito. Ito na, malinis na, nahugasan ko na. So ilalagay ko na lang sa bag para ma-pick up na nila. Ayan po, ayan. This is the fruits of hard work by Leonardo Del Huerto, ang inyong kuya. Ayan. Ayan na po, ilalagay ko sa 5 bag. Bali 5 bag nga pala. Ayan.